Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Sword 16HX. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your screen won't respond, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty display connection or a malfunctioning screen. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making your device unusable and potentially causing data loss. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. You should also remove the battery if possible. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the laptop casing, starting from the edges and working your way around to avoid damaging clips. Once inside, locate the screen connector. It's usually a ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable, being cautious not to pull on any nearby components. Inspect both the cable and the connector for any signs of damage. If the cable appears frayed or if the connector is loose, that could be the culprit. Take your replacement screen and connect it to the motherboard by securely attaching the ribbon cable. Make sure it clicks into place. Next, replace any screws you removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new screen is in place, carefully close the laptop casing by aligning the clips and pressing down gently until you hear them snap back into position. Finally, power on the device to check if the screen is responding correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure your device is kept in a safe environment, avoiding excessive heat and moisture, and regularly check connections if you notice any anomalies. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.